So really briefly, I wanted to show you guys what a catalytic converter looks like, because I didn't know, that doesn't make any sense. I'll show you. So this whole part is what I needed to buy. I'm pretty sure you don't always need the whole part. What they steal is like this chunk, because that's the one that has like valuable stuff in it. And I had to get a new one. Mine was not stolen, but it was federally approved, and I live in California, so it wasn't California approved, so that's why I had to get a new one. I found somebody who can install it for $120 to $240, so just call around. I would say at least $100 is how much it would cost to install it, and it should take anywhere from like 45 minutes to 2 hours tops, just for your information. They do make cages and shields to put over it to prevent theft. I highly recommend theft protection with your insurance, because if something does happen, you'll only have to pay your deductible and you won't have to pay the whole thousands of dollars. Mine was not stolen, so I did not qualify for that, obviously. I hope this video helps. I hope you learned something, because I learned a lot through this whole process. A lot that I did not expect to learn. So I hope that this saves you some time, some money. Yeah, because when I went to initially assess with my mechanic, he could order the part for like $3,800. And I was like, oh, okay, that's a little high. With labor, that's like $4,000 fix. So that was a little questionable. But with the Toyota dealership, if they have it, you can go pick it up like same day. So really convenient versus ordering the part and waiting for it to come through your mechanic. So anyway, hope this helps. And good luck. This sucks and it's hard. So good luck.